The CompX regulator lock, like the one you see right here, it's become real popular recently because of some of the programming features that are available with it. They come in two versions. The one I'm showing you right here, this is the manual version of the regulator lock that you have to enter a code and then you can turn the cam to lock or unlock your door. Then there is another version, the one that we're going to feature in this video, which is the Slam-Cam version of the lock. In this particular case, it has a spring-loaded strike on it so that when you shut the door or the drawer, it'll automatically lock. You still have to enter a code to unlock it, but it has a nice feature whereby it locks immediately when you shut the door. Comes in pretty handy in the medical field, where it is required that the doors go shut every time you close them. So we're going to look at programming the Slam-Cam version of the regulator lock, the one that they call self-locking. So the first thing we're going to do in programming it is we have to get into the programming mode. And then when we do that, we're going to change the factory default supervisor code. We'll change that to some number. Once we get that done, then we go back to the programming mode and we're going to change user code. Now you can put 19 user codes in, but they have a factory default user code. We're going to change that and put in a new one, show you how that's done. I think you'll find this a pretty interesting video with regard to programming the Slam-Cam version of the regulator lock, self-locking version. Now let's get started. We're going to enter the programming mode so that we can change the supervisor code. We don't want that factory default to be in there. So here's how we get to the programming mode. We have to enter this existing supervisor code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press enter. We have to unlock the lock and hold that lock open. Then we press enter again until the low battery light illuminates. When that illuminates, we can let go of the lock. Then we press 2 to get into the supervisor, to change the supervisor code, and press enter. Now we enter the current supervisor code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and press enter. Now we enter the new supervisor code, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, enter. And we enter it a second time to confirm it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, enter. And now we press 9 to get out of the programming mode and enter. Now the new supervisor code is in. Let's check that out. See if the new supervisor code is in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, enter. And sure enough, it unlocks and it works. We have the new supervisor code in. Now that we have gotten rid of the factory default supervisor code, let's also get rid of the factory default user code. And to do that, we have to enter our new supervisor code. So we enter the new supervisor code, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, enter, unlock the lock and hold it, and press the enter until the low battery illuminates. Then we let go of it, and to change the user code, we have to press 1 and enter. Now we put in the current user code, 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Now we're going to put in the new user code. Let's go with 4, 5, 9, 0, enter. And to confirm it, we'll do that again. 4, 5, 9, 0, enter. And now we have finished it, so we exit the programming mode, press 9 and enter. So now we should have a new supervisor code and a new user code. Let's verify that we got that new user code correct. 4, 5, 9, 0, Enter. It sounds good. Oh boy, how about that? Lock. Everything's looking good. Hopefully this short video has been useful to you in learning how to program the CompX Regulator lock, the Slam-Cam version, the one with self-locking feature. You learn how to put it into the programming mode and how to change the factory preset supervisor code and the factory preset user code. If you like it, give us the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe.